Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. It is day 23 of Vlogmas, and I'm still stressing on last minute gifts. The biggest struggle that I'm having with is getting stuff for my dad for his stocking. So last night I ended up making him a coffee sleeve that is Lena Nice themed, and then I decided today another thing I could possibly make, which I was trying to avoid because I don't like this as a stocking stuffer, but I'm running out of options here. I decided to make him a Lena Nice 3D mask. Last year you guys saw me make him like some kind of wall hanging, and it was Lena Nice, and I gave it to my dad for Christmas, and I haven't seen it being hung up in his basement, but I figured he needs something more useful to wear during the pandemic, and what better yet is to make him a 3D mask by his favorite hockey team. And without further ado, let's get on with the video. So the pattern that I have here, I got it off of TikTok, and I don't know how to direct the link now. I don't know if it's still saved in my account, but if you guys ever need like the video of it, just send me a personal message on Instagram or Facebook, and I'll send you the video, because I did save the video onto my phone. So what I'm doing now is pretty much what I usually do with my other masks. You have the right sides facing together, and then you just go all the way around and leaving an opening so you can turn this inside out. I don't make 3D masks very often. I usually just make it for my dad because of his face shape. The masks that I usually make don't fit him very well, and he doesn't like the pleated ones, so this 3D mask works perfectly for him. What's also awesome about this face mask is that for the first time he's getting one made by me that would have a nose strip. My work finally got adhesive nose strip, but I'm not just putting it on top of the fabric, I'm actually putting in between the two layers of the fabric. My dad has been desperately wanting a mask with it, so when he opens this from his stocking and notices there's a nose strip in it, he's going to be ecstatic. So we're going to be turning this thing inside out right now, and then we are going to put the nose strip in, and I'm going to clip it at a place where it won't fall, and then we're going to top stitch all the way around until we get to the nose strip, because we got to make a little rectangular shape so that it doesn't fall anywhere else in the mask. And while doing this, we're going to be closing up that opening that we left. We're going to fold the bottom and top portion of the mask like a little burrito, and then we're going to do a little stitch all across the folded parts. And then we're going to do the double folds on the sides so that we can put the elastics in, and then we're going to stitch the folded sides down. And then we're going to unfold the flaps,
having the corners line up with the folds. And then from those corners at the folds, we're gonna stitch straight down from corner to corner, because apparently that's important. After you have done that, you're pretty much done. Yeah, you're pretty much done.
And that is it on how I made this 3D mask. I hope my dad absolutely likes it and wears it a lot more frequently than any other thing. So I thought I would make him a London Knights, and I really am hoping he likes it. He's probably gonna like it. Anything London Knights related, he'll love it. So if you guys like this little video on how I made this 3D mask, please give this video a nice like. And if you want to follow me and my other social media accounts, all the links are down below in the description box as well. And make sure you subscribe to my channel to see more further content I will be doing for the month of December for the Vlogmas challenge, even though there's only 2 days left. But there will be bonus videos. And as always, guys, thank you so much for watching. I greatly appreciate it, and I will see you all in tomorrow's video. Take care. Bye!